Everybody, there's so many different kinds of RVs. There's Class C's like these. There are travel trailers over there, and there are toy haulers like that. More travel trailers there. But one thing they have in common is you have to get rid of the waste that's in it. And we're going to take a look at how that's done right here. If you're fortunate, you may live by a public place where you can dump your tanks. In this case, we're in Massachusetts and we're in Worcester. So we're all lined up and ready to go in a moment. Those are the magic levers that we're gonna pull, and that's gonna be the magic spot. So, get ready, folks. It's about to happen. Okay, here we go. Magic time. We've all been waiting for. Pull this latch. Somewhere there. Then get back. That's just the black tank. When you want to clean that out, you pull the gray tank, which is right here, and that flushes it out. There you go, folks. For those of you that may have wondered. And then what you do is clean it all up. So if you want to get into RVing like hundreds of thousands of people have in the last couple of years, one of the things that you have to do is deal with the S word. And you can do it without getting dirty. Normally there's hoses coming out of there, but they go right into a tank. But in this case, I want to fill the request of many people who said, what does it look like when it's coming out of that tank? Well, now you know.